Alright, so we're setting up for the range today. We're going to head out to Eagle Sports Range. So here goes my rifle bag by Savior. Pretty nice bag. Holds everything I need. And here goes my bag by G.P.S. I just got both these bags. As you can see, this bag's pretty nice. Holds all my mags. Has my M&P Shield Performance Center mags. All my Glock mags. Got a pocket here. Two little pouches inside there. I put all my duty weapon mags when I go to the range, so I keep them there so I can load it back up when it's ready to go. Got some gloves out here on the side. You can see it has everything's marked. Headphones. I don't keep my my earmuffs in here. Everything, all my tools, everything. Keep my AR goes down. All my tools to fix it on site, punches, stuff like that. All right, let's flip it around the other side. All right, here you see binoculars. I don't use it for binoculars. Well, actually, you know what? In this pouch, I do have my binoculars, and I have my clean pouch there. It has all my cleaning tools that I need. Over here on the side, nice little pouch. You can put little items in there. Another pouch for tools. I actually have my pistol loader, Glock pistol loader, and a tourniquet right there. You never know. Can't have too many tourniquets. Actually, I believe that was a gauze, not tourniquet. Looking down inside, I have earmuffs, my ammo box, some more ammo, some tourniquets, earmuffs, spin it around. Two pouches for your glasses, which is pretty nice. Clean my rifle. There's some more pouches here. I haven't had a chance to fully load it up yet. Looking at my rifle bag from Savior. I mean, this thing's nice. All your mags, your ARs, bolt pad. All three of these are loaded up with AR mags. Medical bag here, which is pretty nice. I added this on. These three pouches actually come with the bag. They're sewed in on the bag, which is really nice. There is a little bit MOLLE left, depending on what size of bag you order. This is the 36-inch. There is a 42-inch, which will obviously give you some more MOLLE on both sides, but I went with the 36-inch. I added this on. My medical bag, tourniquet, everything you need, at least to stabilize somebody if they get shot. Opening this up has a spot for actually two rifles. Here goes my rifle by DS Arms, my titanium custom built for the Chief. See, I got the Romeo, Sig Romeo 5 up on top. Fits in there nicely. Here goes another rifle by DS Arms. This is actually one of their FALs. The stock is actually collapsed, which is nice. See that? Fits in there perfectly. Holds it down. Has a nice separator. Actually has another pouch in here that you could put your pistols if you like. I carry my pistol to the range. You know, at least two of them. And I got my sling in there, which is really nice. I mean, this bag has a lot of potential to add on to. Closes up nice, looks nice. So these are two bags I'll be taking to the range today. So let's see how they do.